Have you ever tried to convert a video, trim audio, or fix a media file, and every tutorial tells you to install FFmpeg, but when you try to install it, it feels like a tech maze? And yeah, I have been there too. So in this video, I'll show you how you can exactly install FFmpeg on Windows 10, step by step with no confusing code. It's easier than you think, and once it's set up, you can do a lot of powerful stuff with it. So for that, you can download FFmpeg, open your browser and go to official website ffmpeg.org. Click on download, then under Windows, select the link that says Windows build from gyan.dev. On the new page, click on FFmpeg release essential.zip to download it. And once it's downloaded, you can right click on the zip file to choose extract all. You have to choose a location like your C drive to extract it. Now you will see a folder named something like FFmpeg hyphen and something extra and then essentials. And this is what makes FFmpeg work from anywhere on your Windows computer. Open the extracted FFmpeg folder and go to bin folder and copy the path from the address bar, which will be something like this. Now you can go to start and search for environment variables and open it. Under system variables, click on the path, edit and add new. Paste the bin path and click OK on all windows. And for testing, you can just open command prompt and type cmd in the start and then type ffmpeg version. And if you see details about FFmpeg pop up, it's installed. So that's it. You have just installed FFmpeg on your Windows 10 right away. Now you are ready to compress videos, convert formats, extract audio, whatever you need. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech videos like that. And if you need help with your first command, drop a comment below. I have got you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.